love JOJO SIWA. Like a kid in a candy store. Hi, my name's JoJo. Hi, my name's JoJo. We must be twins. Yeah. Hi guys, today it's Presley and Fallon. Today we have opened a JoJo doll, and it's a My Life doll. We got it for Christmas. Do you have a JoJo doll? Comment down below if you like JoJo too. Look at Walmart for her to wear these dresses. JoJo has a cheerleader outfit, a school outfit, and a nighttime outfit. The JoJo that we have is the dance JoJo. Yeah, she comes with Bobo, her little puppy. You'll ever see her on Dance Mom? I can't wait to open her. Let's get started. Okay, we have to open it at the top. Oh, okay. We're gonna have to stand for this. I think we need scissors. And look at cute little Bobo. Looks so sparkly. Look how pretty it looks. Ah! Bobo. Right here. Look. Okay. So here we can put this back to. She got Bobo out. She got Bobo. Yay! Hello, Bobo. We make a lot of musicals singing JoJo. So go follow us on Presley and Fallon. JoJo Siwa. Hello, JoJo Siwa. Hi, JoJo Siwa. We're twins. Hey, I have Bobo. She has purple, green, and yellow on her skirt, and pink is right at the bottom. You can see, and she has a pink jacket too. And Bobo's brown. I can't. Hello. And she has pink earrings. If you can see, I'm gonna take one out here. And she looks pretty with her ponytail. Her ponytail looks so pretty. If you can see, it's so cute. Yeah. And she has a JoJo bow. And she has a pretty like blue shirt under her dress, and the top of her hair looks so cute. How do you zip this? She has a pink jacket, if you can see right here, and she has decorations on her jacket. And Bobo, hello! You can actually make this be your JoJo bow. Hey, get back in her hair. So then JoJo looks so pretty. Okay. Hi, look so pretty. Hi, my name's JoJo. Hi, my name's JoJo. We must be twins. Yeah, hello, I'm Bobo. I'm Bobo. We must be twins too. Our shoes look the same. And our dresses look the same. And the coats look the same. And our JoJo bows look the same. And our earrings. We must be twins. Let's go to bed. And in the candy store. About Bobo. She's so cute. She's so cute. She's a dog. Okay. And she can always play with me, JoJo. And she can lick JoJo. And she can play with me always. She's so cute. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit the notification bell. And I hope you have a great holidays. And we hope you love this JoJo SIWA dolls, and I hope you will love it because I love JoJo SIWA. And I hope you like this video and all of the others. And I'm so excited to do the next video. So, bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Ruff, ruff. Bye guys.